Hi, if you are coming to the New Better Life studio from the Lija or Bkara direction, this is the path to take. So basically, to my left, there is Kind's showroom, followed by Halman Vella's showroom, also on the left. I will be taking the first exit towards Labour Avenue in Nashar, just as if I am going towards the Nashar Church. However, as you will notice, the U complex in which you will be able to find the New Better Life studio is much closer to this roundabout than it is to the Nashar Church. So I'm still heading straight, and if you take a close look to your right, you will soon start to notice the building with a purple perimeter. And here we are. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to imagine that I just parked, that I found a suitable parking, and to my right, as you can see, there is the U complex. Where the gentleman is heading right now is the entry point, where you'll soon find the main reception of the complex. And at the main reception, you simply ask for a New Better Life. Thank you, and see you soon.